are from Perth.
The bell tower.
On the bell tower.
Right?
And it's
You're
amazing
enjoying-
here. The amazing weather, the bells, everything.
Yes, and so sunny. And this is a message for